alaikum. Theme 4, Chapter 2, Communicating with Numbers. Lesson 2. In the previous lesson, we have discovered that numbers tell us important information, and we see numbers around us all the day, at home, at school, everywhere. Okay, and we have said that each number we see gives us a certain information. Now I want you to open your student book to page 110. This page, missing numbers. Let's see, we have many numbers down in the number bank. 9 Celsius, 3 o'clock, 30, 2 kilogram, 10 pounds. And we have pictures with missing numbers. Let's find out if we can match numbers to where they belong. Okay. The question or the page says the numbers are missing. Can you help? Use the number bank to put the numbers back where they belong. Okay. Down in the number bank, I see 3 o'clock, and we have studied how to read the clock in the class. So this number tell me what? Excellent, tell me the time. So I can put it on the clock. Excellent, so I will write on the clock 3 o'clock and cross 3 down from the number bank. Okay, second number, we have, I see here a scale with apples. So the scale give me the weight of anything. I see there 2 kilogram. Excellent. When you put things on the scale, it gives you the weight, which is 2 kilograms. So I will write on the scale 2 kilograms. And I will cross it from the number bank. What else do you know from the number bank? Excellent, 10 pounds. And I have the first picture is a price tag without a price, so we will put the price. I will write 10 pounds on the tag here and cross it from the bank. Okay, what number else we have here? I have a shoes up, a blue shoes without a number, so the shoes number is 30. It's a baby shoes, so we will write number 30. When you buy a shoes, you have to know your shoes number. Okay, we will cross it down. We still have a number which is 90 Celsius. 90 Celsius. 90 Celsius measure the temperature, the heat. So excellent, the oven. We will put 90 Celsius and we will cross it from here. So each number in this page give me a certain information. They are all different. The numbers can tell me the price, the shoes number, the time, the weight, or the temperature. It all give me important and useful information. This means that we can communicate with numbers. Now turn the page to page 111. Number scavengers hunt. What does this mean? It means to find numbers around your place, like home or school. So number scavenger hunt mean that you look around and find a number. Okay, let's see if we can find numbers around you now. This page tells me to find numbers around the school. Draw and label a picture of 2 places you see numbers. What information do the number tell you? Okay, we have said that each number give me a certain information, maybe time, price, temperature, weight, telephone number, address, anything. Okay, now I want you to look around you and find something that has numbers and draw it here. Okay, I will do this by myself. I will look around me. Now I see a clock. Okay, I will draw the clock. It has many numbers. What does this number tell me? It tells me time. So under the word numbers, I will draw the numbers I see around me and I will label it. What is the meaning of label it? Write the name. Excellent. I will write here clock. What information these numbers tell me? It tells me time. So I will write here tell me time. I want another example. Now I have my book in my hand and my book has numbers too. Okay, I will draw my book. It has numbers. First, label it. Okay, I will label it. I will write book. What information these numbers give me? It gives me, for example, the number of the page. Okay, it gives me the page number. I will write here tell me page number. Now this is your turn. Look around you. Draw anything that has numbers and tell me what information it gives you. You may draw a mobile, a remote control. You may draw a telephone, anything that has numbers around you, you can draw it. Draw it in your book. Okay, we have learned that numbers give us information. For example, information about time. Okay, how is this helpful for me? Okay, it's helpful to know time at school, for example, to know when the school start. Okay, at home to know the time of lunch, the time of our prayers. So numbers are very important in our life. Thank you so much. Okay, we have said that number can help us to learn about each other. In this page, I wonder, think of a question that has two choices for answers. Write your question and two choices on the lines. Cut out your question on the dotted line. Here I want you to think of a question that has two choices. This is how we make a survey. I ask and then I see how many choose the choice number 1 and how many choose the choice number 2. Okay, for example, I will ask, do students like candy or cookies better? So the first choice they can choose is candy and the second choice is cookies. And here we can count and see how many like candy and how many like cookies. Can I do this survey in another way? Yes, let's try another way to find information. Okay, in page 115, let's find another way to get the answer. Use the survey information to answer the question. The class is going to have fruit for a snack. The teacher asked the class to choose a favorite fruit. What do you see here? It's a graph. Do you remember the name of this graph? Excellent. It's picture graph or pictograph. Why I call it picture graph? Because we use pictures. Excellent. Okay, we have some question to answer from this graph. How many students like figs the best? So I will count the figs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figs. This means that 5 students choose the figs. How many students like grapes the best? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 students like grapes. How many students like melons? 3. How many students like mangoes? 4. Excellent. So now we have numbers in front of us. What does this number tell us? We will find now. Which fruit is the favorite of most students? Which one? Think which is the favorite most student like it. Excellent. Grapes. Grape. 8 students like grapes. It's the biggest number here, and it has more pictures in the graph. So grapes is the most favorite. If I will buy 2 kinds of fruit, what should I buy? Now I have numbers for fruits that students love, and I will go to buy this fruit for my student, but I will buy only 2. Which 2 I will buy? Excellent, the 2 that has the biggest numbers. The biggest number here, we said 8 for grapes and 5 for the figs. So I will buy figs and grapes. Excellent. Let me ask you another question. Which fruit I shouldn't buy? Excellent. The watermelon, because it has the least number. It's only 3, so I will not buy it. From this graph and this page, how did number help us? Numbers in this page let me know which fruit my student loved the most, which fruit I will not buy because they didn't vote to it, which fruit had the most votes and least votes, and if I will buy 2, I choose the most voted fruits. So numbers in this page helped me to know the favorite fruits for the students. Okay, we have learned too much in this lesson. We have remembered the picture graph, and we have learned how numbers can help me and how to know the most numbers in a graph. Thank you so much.